Hi guys, welcome to channel View Trader, and now this is the third part of the candlesticks video. So if you didn't watch the first and second part, please watch it, and it will take less than 20 minutes of time. Okay, so it is very important to watch those videos because we need to know everything, about the basics. Okay, we need to know complete basics because basics are very important for us. Okay, without basics we can't do anything, not only in trading, in whatever the field it may be. Without basics we can't do anything. And one more thing, one of my friend told me that nowadays our videos, okay, in our channel the videos are becoming bored. But one thing, why? Because this is a theoretical. Okay, this will be the last theoretical class for us. From next video, we're going to see the examples in a live market. Okay, from next video, we're going to see the examples in a live market. So that is the practical part, and this is the theoretical part. Theoretical part will always like some board part. Okay, always, we need to learn something, or we need to know something about a concept. Theoretically we're going to learn and we're going to listen, but we won't see, and we won't experience because it's not a practical, right? It's a theoretical. So we may got some board, but please adjust and try to watch the video. Why? Because this is the most important thing, and this is the basics that we need to know, because basics are the steps which take us to a success door. Okay, we can say like that, like, without basics we can't do anything. Okay, this is a known thing, and this is a known thing for everyone. So please concentrate on basics, and please watch video carefully and give your complete attention to the video. Okay, so now let us start. We need to continue from here. Okay, some patterns. See here, this is a dark cloud cover. Okay, this, in the picture we can see that there are two candles, right? One is hollow candle, another one is black candle. Okay, here the hollow candle is green and the black candle is red. Okay, now dark cloud cover means you can see here reverse. I will going to read the PPT. Dark cloud cover reversal signal after an uptrend implies lower prices, strong white body. Okay, it's a characteristics of dark cloud. Strong white body is a, it must be a first candle. Okay, or a green candle. Okay, white candle or a green candle. Okay, strong filled body, it means black or red, and it must be a second candle. Okay, the second candle must close the half of the, okay, half of the body of first candle or the previous candle. This will be known as dark cloud cover. Okay, we know that what is the cloud, right? You can see in the picture also in the above. Okay, dark, in the above title. Okay, you can see the picture, clouds, after the clouds. Okay, this is like that, it will cover. Okay, it will cover like a cloud. So if the next candle, okay, the first candle will be covered by the next candle, but the only thing and the only condition is it must cover, or it must be crossed a half of a previous candle. Okay, it's the minimum requirement, and it's the first condition, or it is the only condition that we have. Okay, and here the one more thing is I forgot to tell, the first candle must be green or hollow, or it will depend upon which colors we taken. Okay, uh, the first candle must be green as I use the first candle. I will tell according to that colors. The first color must be green and the second color must be red. Okay, and now piercing. Okay, piercing line reversal. Okay, this is exactly opposite to the dark cloud cover. Okay, this is the exactly opposite to the dark cloud cover. This, okay, this will, see here, this dark cloud cover will come in the part of uptrend. Okay, always listen that it is valid at the uptrend and mainly at the resistance levels. Okay, it is valid only in uptrend. It come it will it shows a good effective results in a resistance level. Okay, keep in mind this will shows a good effect in a support level. Okay, price, sorry, piercing line, sorry, okay, yeah. See here, okay, the first candle is a red candle and the second candle will be a green candle. This is the same concept which is exactly opposite to the dark cloud cover, and it should be covered the half of the candle of first candle or the red candle. Okay, this is a piercing line as you can see in the picture. Okay, is the engulfing pattern. We already know that what is the engulfing pattern. First candle must be engulfed by the second candle completely. Okay, you can see there. The first candle is engulfed. Okay, there are two types of engulfing pattern. One is bullish and another one is bearish. Okay, if the black candle engulfed by the green candle, it's a bullish. If the white or if it's a white or green candle engulfed by the red candle, then it will be a bearish. Okay, and it's a morning star. Okay, it's a reversal pattern. It is valid, most valid. It is valid only at the support. Okay, you can see bullish indicator has a told it is a reversing pattern also after a downtrend. Okay, you can see, read the ppt bullish indicator after a downtrend. Okay, close of the third candle should be in the top half of the first candle. Okay, there are three candles in morning star. You can see these the okay, the middle candle must be below the closing point of the first candle and the opening point of the third candle. Okay, you can see as shown in the figure. Okay, it's a red candle, the closing point here, and this opening point is here. Okay, this is a white, it's a green candle, so the opening point is down, and here there's the opening point. Okay, it not be inside this uh, this price. Okay, this candle. Okay, so this is how the morning star will look like. This valid only at the uh, after the downtrend. Okay, see here, this candle must cross the half of the first candle. Okay, this will be a red candle. It's a requirement. Okay, it's a requirement. It's a condition for the morning star. It's a red candle, this must be a green candle. Okay, and the middle one may become a doji or it may become a red or green. Okay, okay, it's not much important. And this is the evening star, and these are exactly opposite to the morning star. Okay, we know that evening star and morning star, there are two types, and this is exactly opposite to the morning star. In this evening star, we know that morning star is for reversal of downtrend. Okay, then it's a bullish. Now evening star is for a bearish, and the requirements are same. The first candle, okay, the third candle must be cross the half of the first candle. Okay, this the same requirement has been seen in the morning star. Okay, so this is a doji star. As I told, um, we know about a doji already. We read about a doji. You can see here it's a bearish reversal of an uptrend weaker than the evening star. Okay, you can see here request confirmation with the next candle closing in the bottom half of the first candle. Okay, it's a doji instead of a body which has been shown in a morning star. Sorry, it's a evening star. Okay, or morning star, or it may be evening star. You can see it. Okay, you can see here there is a candle, strong candle, but here we are seeing a doji. Okay, that's it. And remember, this third candle is for a confirmation. Okay, is for a confirmation whether it will whether it will reverses or not, for confirmation. Okay, the third candle is mainly used for confirmation. And this is shooting star pattern. We know that what is the shooting star. Okay, it's an inverted hammer which occurs in the resistance point, right? It's a bearish reversal of uptrend. Shooting star pattern similar to doji star pattern. It's a shooting star. Okay, second candle. Okay, you can see this is second candle is a shooting star, and the next must a third candle must cross this half of the first candle for the confirmation of the reversal. Okay, we need to have a confirmation for a better results. Please remember this. Okay, okay, now let us see upside gap and two cross signal reversals of an uptrend. Okay, you can see it's a signal reversal. Okay, this is a signal for reversal. Gap between first and second. Okay, okay, this is a gap. There will be a gap. Okay, this is a signal. Okay, of an uptrend. Okay, reversal signal of an uptrend. Okay, third candle is also filled and engulf the second candle without filling the gap. You see, upside gap and 2 crores means after a candle there will be a gap. Okay, there will be a gap, and there will be a filled candle. You mean, sorry, what I mean, after a gap there will be a red candle, but this red candle will be engulfed. Okay, the red candle will be engulfed. Okay, reversal signal of an uptrend. Okay, reversal signal of an uptrend, remember. And harami, we know that this harami means, you can see this figure shows a good example for you what is harami. After a large candle there will be a small candle. Okay, which will be inside this large candles. Okay, so this is mean by harami, and this will tells the sig this tells the reversal of the current trend. If this is the uh, bullish harami, there will be two types of harami: bullish harami and bearish harami. If the small candle is a has we seen in, see here, as we seen in this first picture, this is a green candle, right? This is a red candle. So now this is a bull, so this is a bearish harami. Okay, this is a bearish harami and this is a bullish harami. Why? Because this is a reversal sign that the uptrend will going to become a downtrend now. Okay, this is a harami candle, so this is a bullish candle. After bullish candle we are getting a small harami candle, so it's a bullish, sorry, bearish harami, and this is a bullish harami. Okay, it's a reversal signs. Okay, now let us check some other candles pattern seller trend will continue or not. Okay, now gaps and windows. Okay, we always know about, sorry, we always listen about gaps in a market. Okay, I hope you also heard about it. So now let us see what are the gaps. Okay, they are the type of candlestick patterns where there will be a gap between the two adjacent candles. Okay, like we always experience, actually I hope you also experience that, otherwise I will show you an example. Okay, see here, this is a gap, had already been seen in the gap book, right? This is an upside gap. Okay, this is an upside gap. Upside gap occurs in a uptrend. Okay, always this upside gap will occur in an uptrend. Gap between two white candlesticks. Okay, is not filled by the shaded candle. See here, this, okay, this gap will not filled by this candle. Okay, this gap will not filled by this candle. Do you remember that in this video only we studied about gap up and two crows, right? In that exam, in that picture we already seen that this candle, the the candle after the gap up, it will become red. Okay, it must be a red candle. Okay, but here we are again seeing a green candle. Okay, see here, it also may become a red candle. It's not a big thing, but the third candle plays a major role here, because it must, okay, it must be come, it must be stopped uh, without covering the gap. Okay, it shouldn't cover the gap, always remember this. Okay, in this case the uptrend will continue. Okay, remember this, these are the important things that we need to remember. It will also helps in the forex and stocks also, not only in binary, it will also help in forex and stocks. So always remember that it shouldn't close the, it shouldn't close the gap. Okay, so it's a downside gap. You can see here it is exactly opposite to the upside gap. Okay, this, the white candle shouldn't, see here, the white candle shouldn't close the gap. Okay, or it shouldn't cover the gap. Okay, now rising three methods. Okay, these are the continuation trend, continuation patterns. Please remember that what are the continuation patterns and what are the reversal patterns. Okay, of this morning star, piercing, and dark cloud cover, these all reversals. And now we are discussing gap ups and rising three methods. These are continuation patterns. Okay, see here, the continuation pattern of rising three methods will occur like this. See here, it's a green candle. After this we are finding some three candles. Okay, red candles. After that again the green candle went up, but it should satisfy the condition that the final candle must cross the up. Okay, the the closing price of the first candle. Okay, it's a condition. Yeah, this is the part, this candle will tell that this pattern will tell that the market will continue. Okay, we don't need. Okay, this is the falling three methods. We already seen rising three methods, and these are falling three methods. Okay, this is exactly opposite to the rising three methods. The first candle, okay, the low of the first candle must be broke by, or at least it must be equal, or it must be low than the low of first candle. Okay, now there are also candlestick pattern which shows us there is indecision in the market. As I told in previous, there are like some dojis. Now let us see. Okay, we are going to complete this slide, and we are going to complete the theory part now. So okay, I hope you have some clarity, and uh, I hope you learned some content. Okay, please confirm with that. And now we are going to end up with this video, guys. Let me tell you one. Let me give you a recap with the. Okay, these are the reversal patterns. Okay, please remember dark cover cloud, piercing and engulfing patterns, morning stars, evening star, doji star, shooting star, upside two, upside and upside gap and two cross. Remember this. Okay, upside after see here after this green candle there will be a gap. After that it must be a red candle, and it should be engulfed by again. And this is a harami. And now the continuation patterns, gap ups. Okay, gap ups and windows. And in here this candle shouldn't cover the gap, and here gap down. This is a reversal sign. Sorry, this is a continuation sign that the trend will going to continue. And these are rising three methods and falling three methods. Okay, so hope you understood what I said. And please remember, if you didn't, okay, if you didn't understand, please try to watch it again. So, these are the basic things that we need to know. So I'm addressing each thing again and again, because this is a basic thing. This is very important. Okay, it's very important for us to have a better results. Okay, please don't neglect it, guys. I'm again telling, please don't neglect it. Please practice. Okay, from next video we're going to see a practical thing in a live market. Okay, we're going to put our knowledge in a practical market or the live market. So hope you understood. Please come up with a practice for our next video. It will help us to understand clearly what we are dealing with, and hope you understood. Please guys, share with our friends. Okay, please share with our friends by telling that there are there is a channel which tells genuine content, and which come up with the genuine content for our traders. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe and share with your friends, and give a like button too. Okay, thank you. Have a nice